What up, Cruise? Your boy Jay Cruz from the AUDIOZONE channel. First of all, I want to thank you guys for all the support and love y'all giving this channel. Oh, y'all, an apology for not coming out as often like I did. I had a little break pretty much from YouTube, but it wasn't on purpose. I just got really busy with the house, the Novocaine, and everything that we got going on, y'all. But today we want to bring something to y'all, man, that's very, 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 very special, man. We have a great thing that we enjoy to have as customers that have been our customers for over 10 to 12 years, man. And we get the privilege of still serving these people. And through them, we've made other customers for the referrals, and it's just a great thing, man. So today we have a guy, man, his name is Keith. He's actually a long time personal friend after he used to, man, when I met Keith, come here. When I met Keith, he used to do roadside assistance. Road services, man. This is Keith. Welcome to the channel, Keith.
Hi,
but
how you doing?
Tell everybody how we met, man, how this all started.
Well, I was doing roadside assistant and come up here to do some audio and had Jeff do it all. And he's done a great job, and I'm a returning customer for many years.
Many years, man. It's a privilege and honor to have him, man. But you know what I'm saying, with Keith, he travels a lot and stuff like that. He's been through, you had the Avalanche, we did the Avalanche, then we did the F-150, then we did the F-250, and now we're doing a Chevy. So this is the vehicle. I'm gonna introduce y'all. He's got this beautiful Silverado here, man. He does a lot of contract work. He does a lot of craziness. And we got Josh up in the building, man, known as Low Class Josh. Hit him up on YouTube and on Instagram. Give him that follow. Let him know you come from the AUDIOZONE. But he is a genius behind here. But we're gonna talk about something very special that Josh has asked me. He asked me, what the hell is this? And what the hell is this? Well, Keith, those amps have been with you for how many years?
Probably 10 or so.
About 10 years or so, he's had these amps, and they've been good to him. What do you think about this?
Whatever works.
Because this has been with him forever, y'all. This is actually the old Lanzar Max Pro amplifier. I think I sold you that years ago. And then the Hyphonics also over there. So right now we're outfitting this vehicle, a build of doing all the front speaker 6x9s, Nemesis audio coaxials, 6.5 coaxials in the rear. We're doing a ported box with 2 8s. And they're all gonna go to factory radio. So Josh already started wiring and putting everything together and getting it all buttoned up to get the build situated. But I kind of walk y'all through as we get this build done of exactly what's going on. We have my driver picking up some stuff right now that we're missing for this build, so he went to go pick it up. But we should have this maybe in the next couple hours or so. We should have this built with the front speaker, back speakers, factory radio, 4-channel amp pushing all that, with the other amplifier pushing the Nemesis 8s. Stay tuned for more video. On the Chevy Silverado, they're gonna show you what he did. You can see he trimmed the plastics up to make everything sync. That's the guy's amplifier, but that is the wiring done. So I don't know if y'all could see, that's actually a beautiful job. You don't see nothing nowhere. He got the distribution block on that side. Everything there is nice and cleaned out in this car. So he's got that part done, and he is definitely going to have that set up. So now what he's doing, he's coming to the front of the vehicle, and he's already ran this. This is called the 9 wire. This is the 4-channel amplifier wire. Now he came back here. When you see these cars and they have these screens in the front, that's not the radio. That's the CD mechanism behind it. That right there is your radio and your amplifiers and everything for the cars right there. So this is where you're gonna be tapping the signals in for the high to lows. This is your Cyrus tuner, but this is where the high to low goes, and that's where everything's gonna be installed and set up behind the factory screen. So you're gonna continue on that and also get your door speakers. On the build of the truck, guys, we're doing a 6.5 Nemesis M's in the rear. We're doing a 6x9 M's coaxial speakers in the front. We're doing the Sundown Audio SA 8-inch subwoofers. We have the box over here for him too, and this is what's going into the truck of that Chevy Silverado we're building there. So this is the equipment going into that one. Stay tuned to that one, yo. Let me give y'all an update of exactly what's going on, man. As you can see, Josh right now is modifying all the speakers, where the speakers are going to go to be able to make sure that they do the fitment and everything goes in there. He got that. All the rest of it, he's got those two together. He's working here. Get this car together, because this one we should be hearing very soon, huh? Very soon. And here we go, y'all. So right now he is loading the subwoofer box with the Sundown Audio 8 inches that Mr. Keith right here fell in love with a long time ago and wanted to have. So now he gets to have 2 8s. How you like that? 16 inches of bass. You like that?
Yeah.
Well, let's go see what it gets like. Let them handle that, man. He's rolling. I'll get that car out of here very shortly. So we just finished getting, what you about to say? Hold on, let me. What were you about to say, Josh?
That my amp tuning has gotten better since I've worked with you. I've not blown speakers in a long time.
Guys, this is what it's coming up to. You can see right there, amplifier, everything nice and hidden. Only wire you're gonna see coming out right there can be that one. That's right there for the wire. Nothing else is visible. 2 8s installed, Sundown Audio, custom box in the bottom. I love it. 8s ported. It's a ported enclosure. It got you on the other side, but like a big port on that side there for the air to breathe. That was it. We just did a test and tune. My question is to you, how are you feeling about your truck?
Very happy.
You're very happy?
Very surprised.
You thought what? You thought AUDIOZONE didn't have it in them, brother?
Man, I always thought that.
Oh! But guys, you know what? Look, they're beautiful sundowns. Man, we're thanking you again for the business you've always given us, man. Want to thank you so much for always coming to give us a chance, Keith. But this vehicle here can be signed, sealed, and delivered. Let me get to a better light. Always want to thank you guys for watching, man. Always thank you guys for the support, for everything you guys give to this channel, man. Y'all be good and God bless. Peace.